bag, Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Fendi bag, Prada bag.
Okay, hey y'all, it's Kamari Bangs. It's Saturday. We just threw up some clothes for today. It's 3 o'clock. Oh my god, I can't believe it's 3. It's 3 o'clock. We just got dressed. I'm finna take my son to get his hair braided. Might just be a park day for us. I'm not sure, but we finna go on and leave because it's later in the day than what I thought. Stop, boy. So I'm not sure how this vlog gonna go. I'm not sure how long this vlog gonna be. I'm just picking up the camera. I'll let y'all know though. Currently, I'm in my cousin's car. I'm with him. We at the gas station. Y'all from Flint, y'all know where I'm at. I hate this gas station. I stay 2 minutes from here and I never come here. Anyway, we finna go downtown. See what's downtown. He got me out the house. I was just chilling. My son had went to sleep. So I'm with him. I'm out for a minute. I'll let y'all know what we do.
Down with all the other church people.
This is Flint shit, packed out here. I'm trying to get a good view.
I don't want to get the camera.
I'm just trying to get a good view of it. You can't really get a good view. It's packed out here though. With my cousin. Damn, girl. That nigga got fly today.
We're trying to pull up.
We all about the laugh, then we have to move to post. And that nigga been a hater, he probably got square roots. Yeah, working for my mama, it's about time for her to relax. Looking forward to the future, time to live in life in the past.
What is this bitch, a pocket poodle? I knew it, huh? I said every sweat.
You don't know me. You think you do it, you thinking about the old me. One of you real niggas living this shit, you lonely. Might as well go when they didn't feel like they.
Shit like it's a snack. I feel no nigga made me feel uncomfortable. I walk through this bitch feeling untouchable. I'm with an old bad bitch just like Mr. Huxtable. Pistol out wood burning, feeling real comfortable.
Hey y'all, it's Kamari Bangs right now. I'm gonna dog sit for my friend, boyfriend. We actually, me and my youngest, we waiting on the dog to get here now. We just left my parents' house. So I'll check back in once he get here. I'm so excited because I was supposed to do this some months ago. And they sent it to like a border or something like that. I can't remember what they call it. I think it's called a border. So now it's gonna happen and I can't wait. I'm gonna check back in once she gets here. It's a girl. This gonna really prove to me if I can handle 2 kids and a dog. So we'll see. I'll let y'all know. Y'all, I went and got my nails and feet done yesterday, and I do not like my feet. So I gotta double back and go get them done again. And I didn't take y'all with me because I wasn't thinking I'll be on the move. But alright, let's see. I'm so excited. I'm gonna just keep the door open because that should be clean up any minute. But I'll let y'all know. Alright, y'all, so we got it. Don't mind my carpet. We ate popcorn last night, so they got popcorn all over the floor. Anyway, here she is. Look at Ryan. She did come out. She was all on the porch for a second. But then she ran back in. I think he scared her. Get back, big kid. Sweetie. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Don't touch her mouth, right? Don't touch dog mouth, right? Just like at Buka house. Don't touch dog mouth.
Yeah, my grandma.
So, she here. Carter hasn't seen her. He's at my mom's house. I was thinking about taking her with me. No, don't give her. Look, you want to give her the shoe already. I gotta put up all my important shoes because really she's gonna be out here on this front porch area, and I can't take no losses right now with nothing important. So I think I'm gonna sit still. All right, I'll let y'all know what we do. We finna leave. We really just came home to pick up the dog. Don't throw no shoe. Move back. You be nice. She just getting used to all of us and our smells and stuff. She just smelling everything. You probably need to get all the little small toys up too. I really don't want it. Alright, y'all, it's the next day. I just fed her, gave her some water. She's peed. We're just out here getting some air right now. It's like 8:30. I don't know what we doing today. I'm up early on the weekend, y'all. She was no problem last night. I thought like at night she was gonna get to making noises and stuff. No problem. We all slept good. I woke up 2 times to check on her, and she was good. Yeah, make her still left right there. I want her to poop before I take her back in. I might leave her out for a second. Because I don't like cleaning up. I'll clean up enough poop. I can try to clean up dog shit too. Me and my youngest, we on our way to the farmer's market. It's a few things I want to get out. I had a taste for a cinnamon roll, so I'm getting me a cinnamon roll. I know tomorrow I don't know what I'm cooking for Sunday dinner, but I know I want squash and potatoes. Like my mama makes squash and white potatoes and onions together. It's super good. I don't know what my meat is. I don't really know, but I know I want to cook that. And then some apples, some fruit for him. He been begging for some fruit. And I just bought fruit, but he eat it up in like 2 or 3 days. So, but yeah, hopefully the market not packed. It's Saturday. It's 2:20. Conversation. I'm almost gonna wear my mask, and I never wear my mask. That's just how much I don't want to be seen. It sounds like he's gonna go to sleep before we get there, and I don't stay far from the market. But I'll let y'all know when we get there. Yeah. He was just asleep. He's asleep. I don't know how this gonna work. I don't got no stroller, so he's gonna have to go on and wake up. I ain't got no stroller. He's too big to carry. I knew this was gonna happen. Alright, y'all. We done pulled up to the market. It's packed. So I probably won't record. If I do record, I'm just record on my other phone. Not insert it. But we are at the Flint Farmers Market. He is officially asleep. I don't know how this gonna work. He's asleep. I'm gonna have to wake him up so we can get in and get out. Because it's packed. And I don't want to walk with him. So, I'm finna get him out. We back in the car from the market, and y'all, if y'all don't know about that frozen apple cider from the donut spot right in the middle of the farmer's market, oh my god! Every time I come, I have to get one, and I really should have got two. Cause now me and him sharing this, and we kind of fighting over it. So I got everything I need. I couldn't find no apples, strawberries. The price of strawberries there is super high. So I'm gonna go to Aldi tomorrow for our fruit. But I did get my squash. I think tomorrow I want a good savory meal. So I might make like some squash potatoes, some type of like baked chicken. I don't know. I might do like a smothered chicken because I be wanting that gravy with the rice and some cornbread. So I don't know what I'm cooking tomorrow, but I did get some squash and potatoes because I've been craving. So I don't know. We probably finna go back home. Oh, y'all, I got some macarons from this bakery spot. Karan, he got a cupcake. I got my cinnamon roll. Y'all spent like $30 at the farmer's market and quick. But when I get home, I'm gonna show y'all my macarons. And I'm gonna let y'all know how they are. Alright, we almost home. I don't stay far from the market, so I'll let y'all know. Okay, y'all. I'm finna try my macarons. My macarons on camera. Got them from the farmer's market. So this is mango. I think this one was the pineapple. And then this one is, yeah, the raspberry white chocolate. They only had 3 flavors today. Usually they have a whole bunch. So I'm gonna try each one. I'm gonna take a bite of each one and I'm gonna save my baby, I guess, a piece of each. Actually, I'm gonna cut them in half. We got Sweetie in the house. She right here with me, y'all. Say hi, girl. Yeah, Karai sleeping. We just right here together. Yeah. Alright. So the first one, the pineapple. I'm gonna cut it. And it had little sprinkles on it. I don't like how they package it. It had little sprinkles on it. I don't know if cutting a good idea. Oh, that tastes good. Tastes like pineapple for sure. That's good. Ooh. I might have to save them. A piece of that one. That one good as hell, y'all. This is mango. I'm actually bite versus cut. That one not as good as the pineapple. I feel like I need some water. But this is the last one. This is the raspberry white chocolate. I don't know why they look like them. The color don't match the flavor, but whatever. That one good too. Taste the raspberry. Taste the white chocolate. I'm gonna have to. If they good. This one's good. I don't know if I want to share these. He got a cupcake. And y'all let him hold the bag. And he was spinning the bag all over. Cupcake had a picture or something on it. But his cupcake is red velvet. It's probably good. Everything from that little bakery is good. Then I have to keep an eye out on baby girl so she don't get into nothing. But then I got a turtle cinnamon roll. I've been craving, y'all. And that's what I'm licking off my fingers is the caramel. I can't wait to warm that up and eat that. But that's all. And I got my squashes in the refrigerator. But that's about all we got. I'm at home, I'm chilling. He sleep for his nap. He been asleep since we got home. He actually woke up thinking he was gonna get his cupcake. And I said like, no, after your nap. So he went on and lay down. That was easy. Alright, y'all. Go! Go to the field. Go! Slow. Y'all, we turned it down a lot. That birthday vlog, it was turned up. And it scared, it gave both of us a heart attack. So it's turned down a lot until he learned how to handle it. But he'd about learn. We might can turn it up a little more. Yeah, he do want his butt whooped. Alright, y'all. I gotta close this video out. It's Sunday. Gotta get ready to go. I'm cooking. I'm gonna actually show y'all my dinner. I got some fried chicken, some smothered potatoes, and squash. I think I'm gonna do like some broccoli, maybe some cornbread or garlic bread. I'm not sure yet. But we still dog sitting. We didn't do nothing yesterday. I actually did. I went and had some drinks. I didn't record that. Put that shoe on. It's glass out here for the last time, y'all. Yeah, like I was saying, I just fed her. She just ate. Yeah, I went grocery shopping. I didn't get no water, nothing to drink. So now they mad because now we got to go to the store. And I just gave the dog the last of the water that I had. So now they mad. She don't like Carter. What you do to her, Car? You get scared too?
Big T-bone steak with the weed butter. 3-shot AR, got a little stutter. How you mad off the bitch? I ain't even fucking. Last bitch on earth, still wouldn't trust her. Fucking other niggas crazy, how you still cuff her? Hook a bitch like Kareem, let the team bust her.